This short recording is just to go back through how we look at some of the basics for the Here to Record Gear website, which is the online tool that we are using to create the technical diagrams of our equipment and cables, along with a pack list that comes with that software. So I'm just going to go ahead and log back in, and hopefully you've done that with a school account or a Gmail or whatever works for you. Just for the free level, you'll notice there's a few more on mine, but that is because I pay for that. So we'll go back through from scratch as if you've done nothing. First step, add a plan. Let's call that Buzz Quiz, because that is technically what you guys are creating. We're going to hit Create Plan. You can see it gives you a blank canvas. So from here you can add gear. Now you can add gear that you've made before in your library, which is called My Gear, or you can look for gear from the community library. There are some things that I have made that I have also made available for you guys in the community. I'm just going to look for one. I'm going to look for the USB HD webcam, see if I can find it. Dun, 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 dun. USB HD webcam. And you can see here that's the one I have made, and I'm going to add that. So the reason why I just did it that way was to illustrate the way you guys could find that by looking in the community list. So we can see that's given me a USB webcam, and if I look at the properties of that, it tells me the brand, and it has an output but no inputs, which is pretty much what a USB webcam is going to have. On top of that, I'm going to just look in My Gear for a monitor. So that's just a standard monitor. I feel like we'll add that one as well. Now remember, in our scenarios we have our monitors sitting in front of our presenter, and we also have our webcam just sitting on top of that monitor. So you could stack yours up this way in your diagram, and that's totally acceptable. Now, I think I did ask for you guys to look for a specific PC, which should be on my list here. I'm just going to scroll down a bit to look for that. It is a streaming PC. Dun, dun, dun. It is one of these ones. I'm going to load more because I feel like there is another streaming PC that I made with, I did, this one here. So I'm going to ask you guys to basically search for streaming PC with BM Decklink Mini Recorder 4K, which is quite a mouthful, but this is the particular box that we have over on the back of the classroom desk, which we are using for streaming. So we're going to drag that one in as well. And basically you can start to see from here that we can drag and drop different things to connect our devices together. So you can see I've got an output from the USB cam into the computer, then I've got an output from the HDMI on the computer back into the monitor, which is what is being replicated in the system that we have set up. We also have a separate monitor for this machine and other bits of devices. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm going to stop this recording here, and then I'm going to do a separate recording for how to add your own gear through making it. Okay.